This tutorial will show you how to import mobile numbers using an Excel spreadsheet. So the function is seen here in the Customers menu item, and the Excel spreadsheet needs to be in a particular format. Now I'm just going to use mobile number and first name for this particular example, but there are many other fields which you can use, and if you want more information on these fields, feel free to contact us and we'll explain them to you. Okay, so I have an Excel spreadsheet here with mobile numbers in column A and first name in column B. So first of all, I choose the file. If I have groups set up, I can select which group I wish to import them into here. I need to validate consent, and then I can submit the file. So that's now been processed by the system, and you will receive an email in the next few minutes when the process is complete. Let's have a wee look, and there we go. So the mobile numbers have been imported with the first name.